Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can personalize your phones on Windows 11. So if you feel you need to change your fonts, the default font is too boring, you can try to change it on personalization. So you can right click on the desktop, click on personalize. Here you can scroll down and try to search fonts. Click it. Here you can drag and drop to install. You can drag font files from a file explorer and or your desktop and drop them here to install fonts on your device. So you can try to search a new font from or unique font from a dafont.com or any trusted sources that provide a new font for your PC. And after you find the fonts, you can try to install by drag into this box. And here there is a default font that you can try. There are total 76 fonts found in this Windows 11. So for example, this one, you can try to apply these fonts into your system. Even you can select font face, regular or bold or semi-light, and you can uninstall if you don't need these fonts. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.